class, we have a short quiz today. So, get one whole sheet of paper.
Pansin siguro kasi yun. Hindi yan ba? Next time lang pare.
Pare, idol mo ako. Magagawa na ako. Unahan ka na.
Yeah, pare. Tara, upakan natin. Pare, sinusuyo mo ba yung idol ko?
Bakit? Girl ko lang.
Oh, pare, tigas nito oh.
Ano pare? Upakan natin, di ba?
Bakit? Gusto nyo?
Pare, tara, tara pare, tara pare.
Pare, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ba't ang taglay mo?
Okay lang, Brad.
Tapos, kumusta ba ka ng idol mo?
Binasted siguro, kaya matamlay.
Siguro nga.
Busted.
Tamang-tama pare. Meron akong pakilala sa'yo. Siguro magustuhan mo.
Ayaw ko na, pare.
Sigurado ka, ayaw mo na.
Sigurado ka.
Sigurado ka na ha. Yun siya oh.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know, when I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. But every time she asks me, do I look okay? I say, when I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares.
Sorry ha, pero wala akong time para sa'yo. Bryce, salamat pala sa tulong mo ha.
Yun.
James, may namari. Uy, ano ba? Wala ko nang pasok. Pwede ba tayo mag-date? Hindi tayo yun. Bakit? Uy!
Ito na naman, sulyap ng iyong mata na nagsasabing ika'y nag-iisa. Pinilit kong sabihin, ngunit di ko magawa na magsabing gusto kita.
Pare, musta na kayo ng nililigawan mo?
Wala na, pre. Ayaw na. Busted na ako, oh. Tingnan mga text niya. Topo.
Bakit?
May load kayo?
Meron.
Pa-text nga.
Anong pa-text? Palod ka nga. 10 pesos lang, hindi ka makapalod.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby.
Tao ko.
Miss, bago ka ba dito?
Hello.
James na pala.
Hello. Oh. Sige. Papunta na ako. Di ba ba? James pala.
Ay, miss. Dito ka pala.
Ay, James. Saan ang punta mo?
Dito lang pala laro ng basketball. Ano ka ba ginagawa yan?
Wala naman.
Pwede ba tayo mamasya?
Shal? Pwede rin.
Gali ka na.
Sir.
Okay.
What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I never have this feeling in my heart. How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be. With all my heart and soul, I give my love to heaven home. And as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny. I wanted someone like you, someone that I could hold on to and give my love until the end of time. But forever was just a word, something not only heard about, but now you're always there for me. When you say forever, I believe. Oh, why don't you smile, my only star? Shine on, baby, smile.
Oh my God!
Dari mo likoy.
Sige, mati ako.